Hi class, in lesson 2 you will be learning about area of circles. Learning goals for today: give an informal derivation of the relationship between the circumference and area of a circle, and use the area formula to solve problems. Decide whether circumference or area is an appropriate measure for a problem situation, and calculate unit rates associated with circle areas. Key term to look for in the lesson today: unit rate. Please turn to page 21, Activity 2.1, Deriving the Area Formula. In the last lesson, you derived formulas for the distance around a circle. In this lesson, you will investigate the space within a circle. Use the circle at the end of the lesson that is divided into 4, 8, and 16 equal parts. Please answer number 1, letter A and B with your group. Please answer number 2, letter A, B, and C with your group. For number 2, letter A, as more parts are used, it starts to look more like a parallelogram. For number 2, letter B, it would look more like a parallelogram. The curved sides would start to look straighter. And for number 2, letter C, the length of the base is approximately equal to half of the circumference of the circle. The height is approximately equal to the radius of the circle. Please turn to page 22. Answer letter D, E, and F with your group. For number 2, letter D, from substitution into A is equal to B times H, the area would be equal to 1/2 times the circumference times the radius. For number 2, letter E, the area of the parallelogram is the same as the area of the circle. And for number 2, letter F, the formula for the area of a circle, A is equal to pi times r squared. Please turn to page 24, Activity 2.2, Circumference or area. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle, while the area of a circle is the amount of space contained inside the circle. When solving problems involving circles, it is important to think about what you are trying to determine. Please answer number 1, 2, and 3 with your group. For number 1, letter A, the circumference of the circular path is 188.4 feet. For letter B, the area of the park you will cover with plant food is 2,826 square feet. For number 2, the area of the pizza Samantha will cover with sauce is 200.96 square inches. And for number 3, the amount of rope they will need for the circular mural is 69.08 yards. Please turn to page 26, Activity 2.3, Unit Rates and Circle Area. Tallarico's Pizza has a large variety of pizza sizes. Lena and Michael are trying to decide whether to get 2 pizzas or 1 ginorm pizza. They ask themselves which choice is the better buy. They each calculated a unit rate for the ginorm pizza. Recall that a unit rate is a ratio of 2 different measures in which either the numerator or denominator is 1. Please turn to page 27. Answer number 1 and 2 with your group. For number 1, letter A, Lena determined the rate of the number of square inches of pizza for every dollar. Michael determined the rate of the amount in dollars for every 1 square inch. For number 1, letter B, using Lena's strategy, the greater the number of square inches per dollar, the better the buy. Using Michael's strategy, the smaller the number of dollars per square inch of pizza, the better the buy. For number 2, the small pizza is going to be 8.9 cents per square inch. The medium, 7.5 cents. The large, 6.5 cents. And the extra large, 5.9 cents. The enorm, 5.1 cents. The ginorm, 4.7 cents. And the colossal, 5.4 cents per square inch. The ginorm is going to be the best deal. This will conclude lesson 2 on area of circles. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions. Thanks.